In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols in Google Sheets. If you've been searching the web for icons and copying them into your spreadsheet, there's a faster, cleaner way. I'll show you two simple methods that work right inside Google Sheets, plus a quick way to style your symbols so they look professional and consistent. First, the emoji menu. Click an empty cell so Sheets knows where to place your symbol. Now, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Emoji. A panel will open where you can browse or search. Type terms like check, arrow, or star to quickly narrow the options and pick exactly what you need. When you click an emoji, it drops into your selected cell as text, which means it behaves just like any other character. This is great for visual indicators in lists, dashboards, or status trackers. Keep in mind that emoji appearance can vary slightly by device and font, so if you're collaborating, your teammates may see slightly different styling. Still, for most uses, this method is quick, flexible, and perfect for adding clear visual cues without leaving your sheet. Next, the Pro Formula method. Click into cell B2 and type HR on 1003. Press Enter, and you'll get a crisp checkmark symbol. This uses the Unicode character set, so it's a more standardized, professional-looking mark than a colorful emoji. Because it's a formula, it's easy to replicate across rows or use alongside other formulas. If you ever need to reference it in calculations or logical checks, the CHAR approach keeps things tidy and consistent. If the symbol doesn't appear correctly, try a common font like Arial. Most standard fonts support this character. The key advantage here is precision. You get the same check mark every time, with a clean, monochrome look that fits formal reports and clean dashboards. Once your symbol is in place, customize it so it stands out. Since symbols are treated like text, you can change the font color to green and increase the font size using the toolbar. A larger green check mark is easier to scan, especially in long lists. You can also apply bold if you need extra contrast, and align the cell so the symbol sits exactly where you want it in your layout. These small formatting touches help your sheet feel intentional and polished. That's it. Two reliable ways to insert symbols directly in Google Sheets, plus quick styling to make them pop. Try them in your next checklist, progress tracker, or dashboard, and enjoy cleaner, faster workflows without leaving your spreadsheet.